Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we have finished up the installation of the LED bar, and now we're going to configure it through the XBB app so that the power unit and dongle can connect through Bluetooth. So you need to make sure that the power unit is connected, and you need to make sure that the dongle is connected to the OBD. Next, I download the XBB app from the App Store. Once I'm inside the app, I tap the button in the bottom left corner and choose Add XBB Unit. From the pop-up, I select Add XBB Power Unit. The app automatically finds my XBB power unit, so I tap on it to continue. Now the power unit is connected through the dongle. I'll scroll down to access the power unit settings, and here I set it to high beam. This way the LED bar turns on automatically whenever the high beams are activated. And that was pretty much it on how to finish up the install on the LED bar. It is super quick and easy to configure it through the XBB app to make it work wirelessly through Bluetooth instead of having to cut into the wires. So that was pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.